Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Motorola Razr 30. You need to begin by opening Play Store on both and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then, in order to use it, you need to set it up. In order to do that, click on the same options on both devices. Begin by choosing I agree at the top. Then tap on Confirm, Continue, and Allow. Now on the second one, I agree, Confirm, Continue, Allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you wish to. To close it, hit OK. Then select Close in white pop-up at the top and hit Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Now Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Motorola. Also on Motorola, tap on one of those options to decide if you wish to personalize your ad experience. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Select Close this window and go back to an Android. You can finally use all of those categories available at the top to pick multiple files. And then transfer them by hitting on Send next to Selected at the bottom. I will go with this one song and couple of pictures. Now select Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. In order to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on Motorola. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Motorola's camera at the code. If you wish to input this key, just tap on Input key section instead. Type in all of those numbers. And last but not least, click on Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, my pictures and audio file were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!